Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a medium level LeetCode challenge, construct K Palindrome strings. Okay, if you do not know what we mean by palindrome is that a string can read forward same as the backward. So let's take this one, ANNA. If you read it forward, is the same when you read it backward. We have this one too, ELLN, ELLE. When you read it forward, you can read it the same thing backward. Okay, our task is to find the minimum palindrome strings inside this S, and the minimum should be equal to K. So let's take this example. We should find minimum two palindrome string in this string, this one and this one, and this is the minimum number of palindrome string, as we say. So the first idea you should do is to find the frequencies for each character. Okay, so the number of characters with odd frequencies determine the minimum number of palindromes we need. So guys, if you see in this example, we have one odd frequencies character. I mean by this, you should create a hash map, the character and its frequency. So A, how many times we have A? We have it twice. N and B, we have B a single time. E, we have it 2, and L, we have it twice. Okay. When I said about B, that is a single time, so it have an odd frequency number. We have 2, it's an even number, and 2 and 2 and 2 even number. But this one is a frequency. When you find one character with odd frequency, that means we have at least one palindrome string. Okay, now as we have one odd character, we should have enough characters to create K palindromes, and the number of palindromes must cover all odd frequencies. As we say that we have one odd frequencies character, and the length of this string is 9 and equal 9. With one odd character and 9 total. Okay, this is 9, not a Q. With one odd character and 9 total characters, we can split into 2 palindromes, and this is valid because the minimum is 2 and we can get 2. So the formula is K must be between the N and S. S is the number of the odd frequencies characters. So we have 1 and we have 9. K must be between 1 and 9. So 2 is between 1 and 9, yes, so this will be true. Let's go through another example. We have LeetCode. LeetCode. Okay, and we have k of 3. Okay, let's create our map. We have character, we have frequency. L appears one time. E appears 3 times. T, we have T one time. C, we have C one time. O, we have O 2 times. D, we have D one single time. Okay, we have all characters there, but if you count how many single characters we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 single characters. So S equal 5. Okay, how many characters do we have in LeetCode? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 characters. So N equal 9. K must be less or equal N and more or equal S. Okay, S is 5 and N is 9. Is 3 between 5 and 9? No, so we should return false. Okay, so there we make a 3 palindrome strings. Let's check. No, we cannot because we have 5 odd characters. 5 odd characters, but only 1 to 3. He asked us for 3 palindrome strings, but we can make 5 at least. So the result is false. Okay, guys. Now let's go through our code. First thing, we should create a hash map to count the frequencies for each character, and by creating a for loop. After this, create another for loop to find how many odd frequency characters do we have. After this, we should check if we have k valid, and return. If k valid, return true. If k invalid, return false. So let's create our hash map. Okay, let's create a variable to store how many odd frequency character we have. Let's name it single 0 initially. Now create our for loop. Auto here we count the frequency for each character. Okay, we are ready. Now create for loop to count how many character with odd frequency we have. So we should iterate over the map we have. See, and it's count. Let's name it count. We have n, and let's go through the frequency map. Okay, if the count is odd, then the single should be +1. So if the count modulo 2 modulo 2 equal 1, that means that the count is odd. So increase the single. Okay, after this, go out from this for loop and return if k less or equal more or equal single, and k should be less or equal the s dot length. It is size in C++. Now let's run. Oh, we have error. Use of undeclared identifier C. Okay, we should have a column here. Now we have another error. Okay, s dot size. It's my bad. Okay, our solution accepted now, so let's submit it. Okay. Okay guys, this is our solution, and the time complexity for this solution, we traverse the string once to count the frequencies and loop through this map, making the solution efficient. So the time complexity is O of 1. This is a linear time complexity, and the space complexity is O of 1, because in the worst case we can have all the characters 26. So the space complexity O of 26, and the time complexity is O of 1. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more problem solving tips.